Have you decided to buy Damewall Home 2.0 iPad wall mount from Displine? Then now it's time to install it. I invite you to watch an instructional video to show you how easy it is. Hi, my name is Bartek and I'm a product design engineer at Displine. Today, we're going to cover the installation of the very popular Damewall Home 2.0. If you want to learn more about this iPad docking station, check out this video. Let's take a look at what's inside the cardboard box and eco-friendly packaging you receive. The wall mount with integrated power cable and Alcantara panel, key for the Alcantara panel, screws and dowels. Also, you will need a power supply sold separately. For the installation, you will need drill machine, 6mm drill bit, Phillips head screwdriver, pencil, and level. As you can see, we already have an electrical box prepared. In our case, a standard European box with a depth of 60mm. According to the standards in other countries, you can use, for example, an American-style 2x4-inch wall box. This one has a 230 volts power supply. An alternative to that is a PoE power supply. In that case, an Ethernet cable is fed into the box. Moving on, you should install a power supply in the box, which will be responsible for charging the tablet. You will buy it in our online shop, having a choice between USB-C and USB-A output. We start the installation by dismantling the Alcantara panel using a key. Then we will drill holes with a 70 by 70mm spacing. You can use the installation template available on our website displine.com. However, I like to start this procedure by drilling one hole. Then I screw the frame to it. In the next step, I level it and mark another 3 holes. Time to drill them. Then we put in the wall plugs. We need to plug the power cable to USB-C port. Now we are ready to screw down the frame. Then we apply the Alcantara panel, which is fixed in place using the magnets in the frame. And that's it as far as installation is concerned. Now let's turn to the tablet and the frame itself. At the bottom edge in the frame, there is a special sliding piece that ensures the tablet won't get scratched from regular sliding in and out. The tablet is then lightly pressed against the Alcantara panel and slid so that the USB-C plug enters the tablet socket. Removing the tablet is just as easy. Simply slide the tablet out of the frame with reverse movement used when inserting the tablet. I would add that you can change the color of the Alcantara panel to one of the 8 colors available on our website. See how easy it is and how nicely it looks on the wall. We are at your disposal for any additional questions. Write to us at the email address below. And now it's time to subscribe to our channel and click the like button so that we know we've helped you with your Damewall Home 2.0 installation. See you!